YouTube, what's up, guys? Look at what we got here, guys. Tam Boys Customs got a Razor drift cart. This is my first voiceover, guys, so bear with me. I'm trying to figure out this new editing software. Well, let's get right into it, guys. I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace for like 25 bucks. See, as I'm showing right now, it's got some welds that are broken in the front, a little bit of damage, but and I'm showing you the motor and all the electricals. I'm taking all that out. Of course, you know, we got to slap a Predator 6.5 on it, guys. So I'm gonna show you the motor right there. It's got a 30 series torque converter on it. It's a Predator 6.5 Hemi motor. Running a 12 tooth sprocket on there on a 30 series torque converter. It's just an eBay torque converter I got from Comet. It's a Comet off of eBay, I'm sorry. And you can see I'm showing it there. It's a all Razor ground, I believe it's a ground force drifter is what they call it. Just a little cheap, you know, electric little drift car that we're gonna make fly, guys. So yeah, just I'm getting into it, man. Just now, what I'm doing here is I'm taking all those electrical, the batteries, the electric motor, all those components, I'm taking them out completely. So those will be gone. Oh, I'm showing you here my this is another build I'm working on, the trike that I'm building. I'm painting green and white. Man, it's hard to do this voiceover thing. So there it is there. That's the other build that I'm doing right now too. I got 2 builds going on, really 3 going on. But, so I'm just showing it off, picking out different color schemes and figuring out what color I'm gonna paint that thing. Getting pretty close on that one too, guys. It's gonna be it's actually a doodlebug middle part, a Chinese pit bike front end, and a Chinese full rear end. I'm just fitting them all together and making her work. You know, I'm going over and showing a couple of the other builds. You know, guys. Got the pit bike, the fuller, the big trike, the Coleman mini bike, the street bike. There's another mini trike up in there, way up in there. Those are just the ones I put under the canopy there. We got about 10 carts now, but we break them faster than we can fix them, that's for sure. And I got these at Tractor Supply the other day. They were on sale. Some welding magnets. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. 10 bucks. You guys gotta check them out. They work great. I used them today for the first time. I'm actually gonna show you in this video me using them, welding up the rear section of this Razor drift cart. I extended it about 25 inches in the rear. We'll get into that in just a minute though. When we get there, you know, when we get there. We'll get there just shortly. I'm just showing off how the cart looks now, just giving you a little before perspective of it. You know, before I go taking everything off and making her longer, making her better. You know, guys, we just hit 800 subscribers on YouTube. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for getting us up to where we are. This is actually the reason I'm building this go-kart. This is going to be a giveaway cart. So any one of you guys can win this cart, man. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. And when I get to my 1K, I'll let everybody know exactly how I'm going to do the giveaway. But it should be sweet, guys. Definitely, if you're not subscribed to our channel already, definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. Turn that bell on. You're going to see what we got coming. We got some crazy plans. Okay, now I'm showing you that I got the engine off, the electric motor off, the batteries off, all those electrical components, the brain, all that plastic. Alright, guys, I'm back. I had a little technical difficulties there. Okay, so here I'm showing you the frame of where I'm going to weld my new bracing in for extending the frame out. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to extend it out about, I think it's 27 inches I extended it from the edge of the frame now, where it is now back. And I'm showing you a comparison on the motor sizes there. I mean, guys, look at that motor size. Little tiny motor, big, huge motor. I mean, you can't go wrong, guys. Yep, and then I'm showing you, this is the next clip where I've taken the axle out. I've unbolted all 8 bolts on those bearing pillars. You can see the little baby sprocket that's on there, the little band brake. So what I'm doing now is I got all that apart, so I'm going to a 25 tooth sprocket. I'm gonna put on there. Should work pretty good. I got the torque converter, so hopefully I can get those little tires spinning pretty good. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm just walking around and showing you. I mean, guys, these little things are simple to build. If it wasn't for Sam's Garage, I wouldn't be building this one. So Sam's Garage, big shout out, y'all. Check him out. He actually just built one That is an RC car, guys. One of these with a gas-powered engine that he has hooked up to remote control. It is freaking awesome. Go check him out. Sam's Garage. Big shout out. So he builds a bunch of these things. He's got like 10 or 15 of them, I think. He got a bunch, whole bunch of them. So definitely, guys, go check him out. So what am I doing here? I'm showing you the frame, showing you the front end and stuff. I'm showing you about where the axle is going to be. I actually extended it a little bit more than that now, but that was pretty close just for me eyeballing it. I was going to jack it up too, but I got that little pink Corvette body that's going to go on it, so I figured I'd keep it low. You know, Corvette sits real low, so why not keep it low to the ground? Plus, for drifting, you want it low. That way you don't, if it does spin around, you know, you're not going to flip over. That's why I stretched it out also. So it should be pretty sweet car, guys. If you guys like our stuff, man, definitely go hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell, man. We got some crazy plans for the future with these karts. We got a couple nitrous builds coming, some full stage 2, stage 3 kits coming. I mean, all kinds of good stuff, guys. I have made YouTube my life. We're just up over 800 subscribers. I'm actually in the YouTube Academy right now doing all the quizzes and stuff for my monetization. So we're climbing the ladder, man. We appreciate you guys. I love building these things, man. It's been my life. Small engines have been my life, my entire life. So it's just natural for me to grind hard on these things, man. And I don't think I would do it near as hard if it wasn't for all you guys. So with that, I appreciate you. What am I doing here? Showing off the frame some more. Yep, let's see. Just showing off some low profile shots of it, you know. Okay, here we go. Here's the next clip. So now I've got the motor kind of in place about where it's going to be. I actually, like I said, I think I might have extended it a little bit more than that maybe. So that's pretty close actually. But you can see I've got the motor plate in there. Just sitting on some blocks right now just to see, you know, give me an idea of where I was going to go with it. Guys, it's coming along, man. This was still day 1 of this build. I've got 2 days on it now. Well, day and a half. I worked on it a little bit today, and that was it. I throw these things together, man. It's me, my little brother, and then my other little brother, and our buddy Slim that works with us. We build a bunch of them, man. We love racing them. I'm going to start doing every Sunday now at 12 o'clock. I'm going to be live, guys. So put in your calendar, turn that bell on. Every Sunday at noon, Central Eastern Time, I'm going to be live. So mark it on your calendar. Make a memo of it. Whatever you got to do to see Tampa Boys Customs, guys. You know, we out here. My daily life. I love it, man. Like this thing. Look at this thing, guys. I mean, just take a second and look at it. Look how tiny this frame is and how big that motor is. I mean, gosh darn, I tell you what. It's going to be so fun. It's going to be hard to give this thing away. I haven't really worked out the giveaway yet, guys. I'm still kind of working the details out of how I want to do it. I really want to do it just by likes and comments and subscribe, but I don't know if that's how I'm going to do it. You guys let me know in the comments, man. How can you think I could do it like a $2 raffle giveaway or what do you guys think? How do you want me to do the giveaway? I mean, the giveaway's for you guys anyways. So you guys let me know. Do you want me to give away a mini bike instead of the drifter? I know more people are into mini bikes per se. The drifter, I'll gladly build a mini bike instead of the drifter. But let me know, guys. There's a comment section down there. Hit me up, man. I answer all my comments. Everyone that comments me, I definitely will comment back. You know, let me know. Let me know what color to paint it too. I'm wondering about colors for this thing. I'm definitely gonna do some diamond plate floorboards, like Sam's Garage did. That looks sweet. I already got the diamond plate, and that just looks so clean. Like I love that look on his. So definitely gonna cop Sam's Garage. Appreciate that, bud. I'm definitely taking that one, my friend. So gonna have to use that for sure. Well, little picture of all the builds, guys. You know, I had to get that in there real quick. That's just a few of the builds, actually. Okay, now this is today. This is this morning. I was working on it some. Got the new welding magnets. You know, putting them to use, guys. Good old Tractor Supply. Big shout out, Tractor Supply. They were on clearance. Look at this thing, guys. I got the frame. I could have if I would have had more time today, I would have got the frame welded together. The motor would have been in place, but you know, work comes first, guys. I have an actual job that I have to tend to first. This is just my second job. The one I don't get paid for yet. Oh, just kidding. Guys, look at that thing. Got the stick welder hooked up, you know. I'm running a 60-13 rod there, 4mm rod. If anybody's interested in rod size. I'm not a welder. I'm just learning. My dad is a pretty good welder, and my grandfather. And I'm just learning as I go. I mean, I've picked up a lot from them. But guys, just get out there and practice, man. Just get you some metal laid out and lay some beads, man. Just start doing it. I mean, my welds are ugly, dude, but you know, if they don't work, you re-weld it, you fix it, you know. But just get out there and do it, man. It's a blast. I can't tell you the feeling of taking something from nothing, you know, and making it your own and building your own thing. It's amazing, man. The feeling is great, especially when you get it finished and you get to ride it and enjoy it. I mean, it makes it all worth it, guys. Get out and build a go-kart. Get you a cheap Harbor Freight welder, get you some metal, and go to town, guys. These things are cheap, super affordable. Anyone can do it, guys. I promise you that. If you think you can't, I promise you can. It is simple. Get out there and get it done. I want to have a meetup one day with all of us, and us all ride together. Just have a good time, you know. What these things are meant for? Just to have a blast, guys. All American fun, you know. You know, go-karts are the best. All right, let's see here. I got the metal in place now. You can see I made that little box out of that. I think that's 1/2-inch steel pipe. And I just laid it in there where the old bearing pillars mounted, because they had bracing there and thick metal there. So what I'm gonna do is, you can see that other end piece I got in there. I'm gonna weld that in and then weld all of that to the frame itself, and that'll tie it in. And then I'm gonna cut some cross pieces where the motor plate is right there to go across there, and then the back is also, just to stiffen it all up. And then I'm gonna add gussets in the corners just to make it all rigid. We want this thing to hold up, guys. I don't want this thing breaking on nobody. You know, I build them to last. I mean, we have toys that I've built a long time ago, and we're still riding them. So, and we ride them hard, guys. I mean, our slogan is, we don't baby them, guys, and we definitely don't. I mean, we can't keep parts in stock enough to keep these things running, man. Guys, if you haven't either yet, definitely go check out our Coleman mini bike we just got. We're going pretty far with that thing. I just made a few videos about it. It's wicked fast, man. Like, we put a 30 series torque converter on it. We swapped it over to the 6.5 Hemi. It's got a slide carburetor on it, governor delete. And man, I've done 40 mile an hour on the GPS on that thing already. Like, it moves, man. When we first got it, we could only get it up to 30. And now we're exceeding 40 miles an hour already. Like, it just pulls so hard through the gear. So definitely check it out, guys. It's a cool bike. It's just a couple videos back. I have a few videos about it. I actually crashed it the other day. The throttle got stuck on me and I crashed it. So that was a trip, man. We actually had 2 crashes at one time. Me and Slim actually crashed at the same time. I crashed, and I guess maybe he was watching me, and then he crashed at the same time. So it was, his throttle stuck as well. So we usually keep these throttles clean and stuff where they don't ever stick, and then bam, one happened, 2 happens, you know? Of course it'd be like that. Just how it is, I guess. Craziness. I don't know why this... Oh, guys. Okay, well, that's it for the video, guys. That been ended, I guess. Wow.